What's good, all my trader and investor homies? It's your boy Kevin. This is Touchdown Trades, home of your trading BFF and your stock market bestie. In today's video, we're going to be breaking down a penny stock that is brand new. They're literally IPOing today. This is a fresh penny stock. We've never talked about it before on the channel. This company is in the emerging market of plant-based foods. This sector we have seen grow exponentially over the last couple of years with companies like Tattooed Chef, companies like Beyond Meat, and this company, the penny stock we're going to be breaking down today, is in a similar space, a similar sector as those two companies. The stock we're going to be breaking down in today's video is Ritual Superfoods. Their business model is something unique. It's different than other companies we've covered in the past. So in today's video, we're going to be breaking down their business model, the fundamentals, their path to growth, and we're just going to be covering the entire company. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor and smash that like button for me. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. If you want to come get my buy and sell orders in real time as I place the trades, click the first link in the description to the Patreon where you get my trade alerts in real time. Also, if you want to get 2 free stocks from Webull, that's free money. Check out the link in the description for that as well. All right, let's break down this penny stock. Let's get it. All right. Let's break down this penny stock in the emerging market of plant-based foods. The company we're going to be breaking down today is Ritual Superfoods. This is a company that's going public via an IPO on the CSE exchange. That's the Canadian Securities Exchange. If you're using a broker like Webull or Robinhood, you may not be able to buy this stock as it is an OTC traded security right now. I have talked to the CEO of this company. I've been in touch with this company pretty actively over the last couple of weeks, and they have hinted to me that they are going to be going public here in the US in the next few months, so we'll have to keep track on all of that stuff. A lot of big news coming surrounding this company, but I do want to disclose this is a sponsored video. The company reached out to me. I did a little research into the company, liked what I saw, and I decided to work with Ritual Superfoods. They're offering the Touchdown Trades community a 20% discount if you want to check out their product. When I drive down the street nowadays, after investing in the stock market for a long time, I don't see businesses as businesses anymore. Like when I drive past Walmart, I don't see the Walmart sign. I see the ticker symbol for Walmart. When I drive to Target or Walgreens or whatever, I don't see them as a business anymore. I see them as a ticker symbol. So I like to try the products before I invest in the company, and I have tried this Ritual Superfoods product, and it tastes good, and I like their business model. So this is a sponsored video. I want to be upfront about that, but let's break down the company, talk about the stock, how they plan to grow, and the whole 9 yards. So I've tried all 3 of their products. You guys can get 20% off with the discount code link in the description, and they are actually very good. I do not eat any vegetables. I'm gonna be straight up. I am a meat and potatoes type of guy. I eat 0 vegetables. So I was very surprised when I tried their superfood shakes. It's kind of like a shake, that I actually liked it. And the business model is very interesting. I like what they're trying to do here. So coffee companies have been very successful because the people who are drinking coffee, they're not drinking it once in a while. If you like coffee, you're drinking it every single day. The business model for coffee is great because it's almost like a drug, right? You need that coffee first thing every day when you wake up in the morning, you're going and making coffee. Well, Ritual Superfoods has their mushroom-based shakes 3 times a day. So you have one for the morning, you have one for the middle of the day when you're trying to get some energy, and you have one at night that is supposed to relieve stress and help you to relax and calm down. And I absolutely love that business model because you're honing in on that same business model as coffee. It even says it in the name, Ritual, right? You're trying to get your customers to start using the product daily, get in that routine of using one of the shakes in the morning, one in the shakes at lunchtime, and one of the shakes at night. And with coffee, you're probably only getting 1 or 2 cups of coffee every single day. But with this, you're trying to get your customers on all 3 of these shakes, and they're absolutely great. A shake, a smoothie, whatever you want, an elixir, whatever you want to call it, it is good, and I like the business model here. The first one we have here is the Focus. So this is the one that I would guess that they're targeting for early in the morning, kind of like to replace coffee early in the morning. The first thing a customer would do is do the focused version of the elixir. And then the middle version is for immune health. So it also helps stress defense and seasonal support. For nighttime, you have Rishi Relax. So this is going to do stress support, balanced mood, and blissful sleep. So all of Ritual's products are organic, gluten-free, vegan, and made with only non-GMO ingredients. We have seen this plant-based, organic, vegan kind of lifestyle absolutely blast off, going to the moon over the last couple of years. Stocks like Tattooed Chef, Beyond Meat have absolutely gone crazy as investors realize this is not a trend that's going away anytime soon. People are realizing that what you put in your body affects your health. So all of Ritual Superfoods products right now are made of mushrooms. So they're using these mushrooms to get the health benefits from the mushroom into these shakes or smoothies, whatever you want to call them. Non-toxic herbs, roots, and fungi that work to increase your body's ability to resist stressors, restoring the body to its normal optimal function. Here are some of the ingredients that they use for their elixirs or their smoothies. And the stuff is really interesting. I've been reading up on this stuff for the past couple of days before making this video. And the health benefits these ingredients provide are really cool. You guys should take a look. I'll link the website in the description down below. So Ritual is going public via an IPO valued around $4 million. So this is a tiny company today, and we're getting the opportunity to look at it at ground level while they're building the foundation. But they're getting into a vastly growing market of this plant-based food and health-orientated food. And I think there is opportunity for growth in this space. So the shares are going to be priced between 20 and 30 cents each. It will be trading under the ticker symbol RSF on the Canadian exchange. So right now they're in the functional mushroom space, and this was ranked as the top food trend by Whole Foods, used as health aids for 2,000 plus years, typically consumed in a dry powdered form. So this market is rapidly growing. The global functional mushroom market is projected to exceed 50 billion by 2025. Now, this is what they're starting with, functional mushrooms, these elixirs, these shakes, these smoothies, whatever you want to call them. But I envision, when I invest in a company, I like to envision the way forward, the growth, the path to growth. And I think this is a great foundation, and I'm interested to see what they can expand, how they can expand on these elixirs, and maybe add some more products to the line, because this is an emerging market. The market is growing, and it's not going to stop growing for years down the road. Their CEO, David Kerbel, I spoke with him on the phone. He has 30 years of retail experience and has strong relationships. This is very key right here. Strong relationships with some huge health-orientated retailers: Walmart, Kroger, Costco, CVS, Walgreens, Safeway, Sprouts, Publix, and more. So he's going to be able to branch out, use those relationships, and possibly get his product in some of those stores. Now, I don't know whether they are in any of those stores or working to get in any of those stores, but I do think it's important to note that he does have relationships with some really big retailers. And if a very small company like this can get their products in some of those big retail box stores, then we're talking about opportunities for some pretty big growth, in my opinion. That is going to wrap the video up. I thought this was an interesting company. Wanted to put it in front of you guys and see what y'all thought. Hope you got something from the video. If you did, remember, hit that like button for me. It really helps me out a lot. It helps the channel grow. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace.
Drop.